Immerse yourself in English. Watch English movies, TV shows, and YouTube videos with subtitles. Listen to English podcasts, audiobooks, and music. Read English books, newspapers, and websites. Practice speaking. Talk to yourself in English. Use language exchange apps like Tandem or HelloTalk to practice with native speakers. Record yourself speaking and listen back to identify areas of improvement. Improve your vocabulary. Learn new words daily using apps like Duolingo or Anki. Keep a vocabulary journal. Use new words in context through writing and speaking. Focus on grammar. Use online resources like Grammarly or English Grammar in Use, but you can also use my free contents as well. Practice with grammar exercises and quizzes. Pay attention to grammar patterns in your reading and listening materials. Okay guys, don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more daily lessons and contents, and also please remember to hit that like button. Develop writing skills. Start a blog or journal in English. Participate in online writing forums. Use tools like Hemingway Editor to improve your writing style. Use language learning apps. Duolingo for overall language skills. Babbel for conversation practice. Memrise for vocabulary building. But you know that all the mentioned skills above can be found in my channel for free, right? Set goals and track progress. Set specific, measurable goals. For example, learn 10 new words per week. Use language proficiency tests to assess your level periodically. Celebrate your achievements to stay motivated. Create an English environment. Change your phone and computer language settings to English. Label items in your home with English words. Think in English as much as possible. And remember, consistency is key when learning a language. Try to incorporate English into your daily routine, and don't be afraid to make mistakes. They are an essential part of the learning process. Good luck on your English learning journey. Alright everyone, that concludes today's lesson. Thanks for watching. Click on that subscribe button so you'll never miss a new video. Also hit that like button if you liked this lesson. You might need to watch these contents as well. Until next time, stay safe.